12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
This is lot 296, a Super Mini Mill 2 made by HAAS. We'll go ahead and cycle it, let you see everything running. Very late model machine, very clean, well taken care of. See a very quick machine, bigger table than the standard mini mill. See very quick tool changes. You can see lot 296 is a nice running mill. Take a look at our entire auctions. A lot of different HAAS machines available with all the different options. Hopefully the right one for you. Good luck, happy bidding. I hope you get a great deal.
Now 95, you're at 9, no raise your bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95, got it. Now 10,000, 10 to the mid, now 10,000, give me 10. Now 10,500, 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500, 10 to the mid, now 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500, 10 to the mid, now 10,500.